Credit cards can be a powerful tool to help you manage your finances, but they can also be a source of trouble if not used responsibly. One of the keys to using credit cards responsibly is to only charge what you can afford to pay off in full each month. This way you won't accrue any interest charges and you'll avoid falling into credit card debt. It's also important to review your credit card statement each month and make sure there aren't any fraudulent charges or errors. If you notice any issues, contact your credit card issuer immediately. Setting up automatic payments can help ensure you never miss a payment, which can negatively impact your credit score. You can choose to pay off the full balance each month or set up minimum payments to avoid late fees. Monitoring your credit score is another important aspect of using credit cards responsibly. Your credit score can impact your ability to get loans, rent apartments, or even get a job. By checking your credit score regularly, you can ensure it's accurate and take steps to improve it if needed. By using credit cards responsibly, you can build a strong credit history and improve your overall financial health. Thanks for watching and happy swiping. For more tips on personal finance, please subscribe to FinWizard YouTube channel.